What to do if you see an asteroid headed for Earth? We are living in what may be the most peaceful period in the history of our solar system. It's difficult to imagine our planet being bombarded by massive asteroids and comets roughly 4 billion years ago, an event that scientists believe brought water and carbon-rich materials to Earth and helped kickstart life shortly after. The solar system calmed down after this period. Most of what enters the Earth's atmosphere today is small enough, dust to boulder size, to vaporize quickly. However, there are still asteroids and comets with orbits that pass close to Earth. These are referred to as near-Earth objects, or NEOs. The probability of large impacts from NEOs capable of causing widespread damage at any given time is low, but it is not zero. When might a large asteroid strike Earth again? For proof, look no further than our Moon. An asteroid or comet impacted the Moon approximately 108 million years ago, forming the 86 kilometers, 53.4 miles, wide Tycho crater, a bright feature visible from Earth. The dinosaurs would have been alive and well to witness this event, only to be wiped out 42 million years later, along with roughly 70% of life on Earth, when an asteroid 5 to 15 kilometers, 3.1 to 9.3 miles, wide struck home and caused global climate change. While space rocks of this magnitude are likely to hit Earth only every 100 million years or so, NEOs 50 to 100 meters, 164 to 328 feet, across can strike much faster, roughly every 1,000 years, and can destroy a large city or level similarly large areas, and also lead to ecological destruction. Why we need to prepare for an incoming asteroid now? We simply do not know how many city-destroying NEOs are lurking in space and aiming for Earth. While popular movies have brought the threat of an impact to the public's attention, it has taken nearly 25 years to persuade policymakers at space agencies and organizations around the world that investing resources to identify, track, and deflect NEOs is necessary. Even so, significant funding did not begin until the last decade, when the U.S. The White House proposed a 5-fold increase in funding to discover NEOs, spurred on by a key report from the National Research Council. Increased U.S. funding for planetary defense also resulted in the 2021 launch of the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART. Later this year, in September, it will become the world's first spacecraft to collide with an asteroid in order to alter its trajectory and put our deflection abilities to the test. NEO Surveyor, NASA's long-planned space telescope aimed at discovering at least 90% of the city-killer NEOs, is the next major upcoming mission dedicated to planetary defense. Because of limiting factors such as weather, interference from the sun, and the increasing number of satellites, terrestrial telescopes aren't as well suited for this task. Despite this, NASA's presidential budget request for FY 2023 proposed a $100 million cut to the mission, delaying its launch to 2028 at best. What the Planetary Society is doing to protect the planet? Since 2020, Planetary Society members and supporters have written to their government representatives urging them to fund NEO Surveyor for a 2025 launch, and the mission has been a key talking point in our annual Day of Action congressional visits. NASA's 2021 budget partially met that request, and the mission was approved for further development in June 2021. The FY 2022 budget was even better. The Planetary Society helped secure the $143 million needed to move NEO Surveyor forward. However, the proposed FY 2023 budget cuts funding and pushes the mission back to the late 2020s. The Planetary Society will work to reverse this cut in 2023. Thank you for watching, my dear. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. Please subscribe by clicking the button below.